Hello, welcome to Formative and Summative Assessments. My name is Jamie Fagan. I'm a third grade teacher located at Loomis Basin Charter School. We're an IB school in the greater Sacramento area. Today, we're going to be focused on formative, summative, and assessments, and I have some great fun things to share with you. So in your asynchronous component, the video that we're watching will be located here. You can go ahead and read your objectives, but as a quick tip, you'll notice that there's a time marker in each one of the corners to help you know how long each item is supposed to take. The very first thing that you're going to be doing today is a hyperdoc focusing on formative and summative assessment. You'll start with engage. You'll just go ahead and double click and push play. Continuing with your engagement, same exact thing, double click. This time, you'll make sure that you click on the link to open it up. This is 2 pages. You'll notice I put that information that says click on image to open. And I have further instructions here on how best to use your time. So definitely, anytime you see this, look for audio. And when I say this, I mean right there. All right. So moving on with your Explore, you're going to choose 3 of these. Have fun. You can choose from read, watch, and listen. Moving on with your Explore this morning, you will work in Ed Puzzle, solidifying your information on formative and summative assessments. Continuing with Explore, you're going to explore digital formative assessment tools. There's a lot of them out there. You may already know one. You might know Kahoot. Fantastic. Take this opportunity to learn 2 or even 3. I highly suggest Gimkit. This is a really long video. So what I would do is only watch 5 minutes, maybe 6 minutes of Gimkit, and then definitely check out others. Today, we are going to be using Quiz and Padlet. So you'll notice those 2 in the presentation today. So after you learn and you explore, you're then going to explain. You'll have a choice to use Flipgrid or Padlet. Flipgrid would be a video of you. You can also put up a screen if that's something that you are not comfortable with. And then Padlet if you just want to write a quick note. Explore. You're going to explore summative assessment tools with hyperdocs, show what you know. Definitely feel free to click on this reference, show what you know ebook. It's absolutely fantastic and goes into even more tools as well. And they showcase book creator, which is fantastic. So then you'll explain. Same thing, but this time summative. Your choices are Flipgrid or Padlet, and this will be on the same Padlet as the formative. Continuing with Explore, you're going to explore an article by Caitlin Tucker. She's absolutely fantastic. So click here on the link in this area right here, and it will go ahead and open up a very quick article, less than 5 minutes, that really talks about the importance of personalizing feedback. Task number 4, 3-2-1 bridge. This is a visible thinking routine where you are going to write down 3 thoughts or ideas, things you learned, 1 question you have. You will bring the 3-2-1 with you to our synchronous component where we are going to have an opportunity to share out in breakout rooms. So use a sticky, use the notes on your cell phone, use a piece of paper, but put it by your computer so that you'll have it to discuss in your breakout room. Your 5th task and final task will be using Jamboard. Jamboard was new to me during distance learning, so it's something that I really wanted to showcase today. And it's also anonymous. So you'll have an opportunity to use sticky notes, and I showed you on the first page of the Jamboard. So you'll have to click here to get started. It'll open up Jamboard, and you'll be looking for the following slides on red. What do I plan to stop? Yellow. What am I willing to change, amend, or modify? Green. What is something new that I can try? Come prepared to our synchronous. Make sure you bring your 3-2-1 and know how to rename yourself in Zoom. We're going to be using that for our big breakout rooms. And you're renaming yourself at the very beginning of your name using your grade level. So maybe it's 3, maybe it's 4, maybe it's 5, maybe it's 6. Maybe you do a variety. Maybe you do all of them. Just choose one, and that will be your breakout cohort that you'll be working throughout the day. All right. Well, I can't wait to either meet you or have already met you, depending on when you are doing your asynchronous. But I just want to say a quick thank you to the San Mateo County Office of Ed and San Mateo County Community College District. I hope you enjoy today's asynchronous activities.